Hey guys, yeah, it's another beautiful day. So now we'll be discussing on how to check the battery health of your laptop. Most of you have been wondering, oh, how do I check the battery health of my laptop? It's very easy. Don't forget, in the last edition, we talked about how to check the configuration of the system. So now this is how to check the battery capacity of your system. And when we're talking about battery health and battery capacity, this determines the capacity of your battery and also the current health of your battery. How do we do that? The first thing you're going to do, you click on your start menu. So when you click on your start menu, you search command prompt. You search command prompt. You see command prompt, then you left click on your command prompt. Now the dialog box will be displayed. Now this window will be displayed. Now on this window, you will see user slash so, probably your username or anywhere you see that thing, and you'll be seeing something that is blinking. So what you're going to do is that you just type power cfg slash battery report. Power cfg slash battery report. Then you press enter. When you press enter, it will give you the address of your battery health. That is the report. Then what you do is that you copy this address. Can you see the address? You copy it from where you say C. You copy the address. You press Ctrl C. After pressing Ctrl C, then you go to your this PC or you press Window E. So let's say I want to come to my this PC. You double left click on your this PC. Then on this address, on this spot, can you see this PC? You just click on it. So when you click on it, you click outside that arrow. When you click on it, you backspace, then you Ctrl V. When you Ctrl V, you press enter. Then this will be displayed. This is your battery report. Can you see? It will bring out your computer name. Then you scroll down to see your installed batteries, the name, the manufacturer, the full charge capacity. Design capacity means the capacity your system, your battery is designed. That is the highest capacity, which is 33 to 122 milliwatts. Can you see that? So the full charge capacity is still same. So mine is still intact. Then you scrolling down, you will see your recent usage from the starting date to the capacity remaining, the source, the 100% and the likes. Now you scroll down, you see your battery usage. Then lastly, you move downward where you see your battery life estimate. Now, since your Windows has been installed, you will see at full charge and at design capacity. At design capacity means the original capacity designed, that is for your battery. The original capacity designed for your battery. Now at full charge, now you need to compare. That is at design capacity is at full charge is my when I charge it fully, what is the estimated capacity? That is a full charge. Our design capacity means the total, that is when it was being designed, the capacity it should take, the hours, the duration. Now you can see here I have 2 hours 39 minutes 49 seconds. That is my design capacity. And since my Windows has been installed, at full charge, you see 2 hours 39:49. So which means my battery life estimate is still intact. That is no reduction in my battery life estimate. So that's also with this you can actually know the battery life health of your personal computer. Don't forget to subscribe for more educating content and to hit the like button and also comment. I'll be waiting for you in the comment section. Thank you and have a great day ahead.